Welcome to the May 2025 Zoom Contact Center update. This month brings several new features, enhancements, and expanded capabilities across admin tools, reporting, agent workflows, and AI-powered integrations. Let's jump in.
Let's start with reporting. Zoom just rolled out a new version of Contact Center Analytics and Reports, and it's a big step forward. You get a cleaner dashboard, better real-time and historical views, and even the ability to subscribe to reports so they land in your inbox. If you're a new customer, you're already on it. If not, don't worry, you can still access both the old and new versions for now.
Admins, this one's for you. You can now see exactly when a voice call or voicemail recording gets played. Who played it, when they did it, and what it was. It's all logged. That's a win for compliance and peace of mind. You can now create scripts that guide agents during customer conversations and even trigger them using AI. Agents using the CTI connector can either get them automatically or pull them up manually. It's a great way to keep service consistent across the board.
If you've been managing contacts in bulk, this just got easier. You can now import or export Salesforce address book records using CSV files. Add or update records fast, no more one-by-one updates. You can now create templates for your queues. Build one from scratch or copy from an existing setup, then apply it to multiple queues in a few clicks. Saves time, reduces errors, and keeps things consistent. Here's a handy one. If an agent goes offline mid-email, you now control what happens next. Let the email stay with the original agent or send it back to the queue. Your choice.
You can now send voice flow calls from Contact Center directly to Zoom Phone. Auto receptionists, extensions, call queues, no extra steps or requests needed. Want to use a Zoom phone number as your outbound caller ID in campaigns? You now can, if you're in the US or Canada. This used to require a support request, but not anymore. This one's a game changer. Your IVR can now understand natural language, not just preset options. So instead of saying press 1, your customers can say things like, "I need billing help," and the system gets it. You can now set messaging wait times up to 7 days. That's a nice bump from the old 4-day max, especially helpful if you're closed for a holiday or weekend.
The dashboard got smarter. You can now duplicate layouts, customize widgets, set time zones, apply filters. Lots of flexibility to help you monitor what matters most. You're no longer stuck with 30 or 60-minute alert options. Now you can fine-tune alerts in 1-minute increments starting at 5 minutes. It's small, but it gives you tighter control over SLAs. Running chat campaigns? You can now send proactive messages with just call-to-action buttons, no text bubble required. Focus the customer's attention where you want it.
If you're using Dialogflow CX, you can now run multiple bots under one connector. That means different bots for different teams or use cases, without juggling separate setups. Admins can now control exactly who can send outbound emails, including replies, forwards, callbacks, and more. It's all managed in one place, and this update is for premium and elite customers. Want all your agents to show the same profile image in chat? Now you can set a single avatar for everyone. Makes things look clean and consistent for customers.
You can now delete old campaign components, like chat invites or engagement windows, as long as they're not being used. Keeps your workspace tidy. And finally, you can now turn on automatic live transcription for all video calls. Agents won't have to start it manually, it just runs in the background. Note, this one goes live after the May 19th client release.
Let's kick things off with a smart one. Agents now get real-time AI suggestions during calls and chats. These suggestions pop up based on what's happening in the conversation and are ranked by what's most helpful. One click and you're acting on it. No guesswork. If AI finds something useful, like a help article or support doc, it shows up right in front of the agent instantly. Agents can pin it so it doesn't disappear mid-chat, and the system hides duplicates to keep things clean. No need to go digging. Need to find an email fast? Now agents and supervisors can search through open email threads by name, subject, or address right from the engagement view. This one goes live after the May 19th release. Outbound calling just got easier. You can now trigger calls directly from your CRM or other third-party apps. You can even choose whether the call starts instantly or gives the agent a preview first. This one also kicks in after May 19th.
If your agents use Salesforce, they can now pop the CTI interface into its own window. That way, they can work across multiple monitors and keep the call tools separate from the main CRM screen. It's a simple tweak, but it makes multitasking a lot smoother. Agents now have more control over their work. They can assign email and chat conversations to themselves, even if they're not technically opted into the queue. Just hit Assign to Me, and you're good to go. Available after May 19th. Captions and live transcripts will now automatically match the language of the customer engagement. So, if the conversation's in Spanish, the transcript will be too, unless that language isn't supported, in which case it'll default to English. Coming May 19th.
Agents can now see exactly how long they've been in each status, whether they're marked as ready or not ready, right inside the CTI. No more switching screens or guessing. Plus, if they log out of one browser tab, they're logged out everywhere. Everything stays in sync. Got a queue set to Do Not Distribute? No problem. Agents can still jump in and assign engagements to themselves, no matter the channel, voice, video, or messaging. It's all about giving agents more flexibility to manage their own workload. That's it for the May 2025 release. These updates continue to improve agent productivity, admin control, and customer experience. Want to learn more about Zoom Contact Center or get help with your setup? Just click the link in the description or scan the QR code to connect with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in next month's release.